Hope you are doing well. Today, in this video, I am going to explain the chapter-wise important topics of biology of the class 12 board exam CBSE. If you are new to my channel, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Coming to the Unit 6, Reproduction, the total marks is 14. Chapter 1, Reproduction in Organisms, Modes of Reproduction, Asexual Reproduction and Sexual Reproduction. Asexual reproduction, binary fission, sporulation, budding, gemule formation, fragmentation, vegetative propagation in plants. Chapter 2, the sexual reproduction in flowering plants, flower structure, development of male and female gametophytes, pollination types, agencies and examples, outbreeding devices, pollen-pistil interaction, double fertilization, post-fertilization events, development of the endosperm and embryo, development of seed and formation of the fruit, special modes of apomixis, parthenocarpy, polyembryony, significance of seed dispersal and fruit formation. Chapter 3, Human Reproduction, the male and female reproductive systems, microscopy, anatomy of testis and ovary, gametogenesis, spermatogenesis and oogenesis, menstrual cycle, fertilization, embryo development up to blastocyst formation, implantation, pregnancy and placenta formation, parturition, lactation. Chapter 4, Reproductive Health, Need for Reproductive Health and Prevention of Sexually Transmitted Diseases, STDs, Birth Control, Needs and Methods, Contraception and Medical Termination of Pregnancy, Amniocentesis, Infertility and Assisted Reproductive Technologies, that is IVF, ZIFT and GIFT. Unit 7, Genetics and Evolution, the marks is 14. Chapter 5, Principles of Inheritance and Variation, Heredity and Variation, Mendelian Inheritance, Deviations from Mendelism, Incomplete Dominance, Codominance, Multiple Alleles, Inheritance of Blood Groups, Pleiotropy, Elementary Idea of Polygenic Inheritance, Chromosomal Theory of Inheritance, Chromosome and Genes, Sex Determination in Humans, Birds and Honeybee, Linkage and Crossing Over, Sex-Linked Inheritance, Hemophilia, Color Blindness, etc., Mendelian disorder in humans, thalassemia, chromosomal disorders in humans, Down syndrome, Turner syndromes and Klinefelter syndromes. Chapter 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance, Search for genetic material and DNA as a genetic material, Structure of RNA and DNA and difference between them, DNA packaging and DNA replication, Central dogma, transcription, genetic code, translation, gene expression and regulation, lac operon, Genome and Human and Rice Genome Project, DNA fingerprinting. Chapter 7, Evolution, Biological Evolution and Evidences for Biological Evolution, Darwin's Contribution, Modern Synthetic Theory of Evolution, Mechanism of Evolution, Variation, Mutation and Recombination and Natural Selection with examples, Types of Natural Selection, Gene Flow and Genetic Drift, Hardy-Weinberg Principle, Adaptive Radiation, Human Evolution. Unit 8, Biology in Human Welfare, the marks is 14. Chapter 8, Human Health and Disease, Pathogens, Parasites causing human diseases and their control, Basic concepts of immunology, vaccines, cancer, HIV and AIDS, Adolescence, drug and alcohol abuse. Chapter 9, Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production, Improvement in food production, plant breeding, tissue culture, single-cell protein, biofortification, apiculture, and animal husbandry. Chapter 10, Microbes in Human Welfare, Household food processing, industrial production and sewage treatment, energy generation, and microbes as biocontrol agents and biofertilizers, antibiotics production and judicious use. Unit 9, Biotechnology, marks is 10. Chapter 11, Biotechnology and Principles and Processes, Genetic Engineering, Recombinant DNA Technology. Chapter 12, Biotechnology and its Applications, Application of Biotechnology in Health and Agriculture, Human Insulin and Vaccine Production, Stem Cell Technology, Gene Therapy, Genetically Modified Organisms or GMOs, BT crops, transgenic animals, biosafety issues, biopiracy and patents. Unit 10, Ecology. The marks is 14. Chapter 13, organisms and populations, organisms and environment, habitat and needs, population and ecological adaptations, population interaction, mutualism, competition, predation, parasitism, population attributes, growth, birth rate, death rate, age distribution. Chapter 14. Ecosystem. Ecosystem patterns and components, productivity and recombination, energy flow, pyramids of number, biomass and energy, nutrient cycles such as carbon, phosphorus, ecological succession, ecological services, carbon fixation, pollination, seed dispersal, oxygen release. Chapter 15. Biodiversity and Conservation. Concepts of biodiversity, patterns of biodiversity, biodiversity conservation, hotspots, endangered organisms, rare data book, biosphere reserves, natural parks as sanctuaries and Ramsar sites. Chapter 16. Environmental issues. Air pollution and its control, water pollution and its control, agrochemicals and their effects, solid waste management, radioactive waste management, greenhouse effect and climatic change, ozone layer depletion. Thanks for watching and best of luck for your exam. Bye bye.